Got off work, got all my junk. I'm so excited because guess what came in the mail today? It's a carburetor.
What are you doing?
I'm about to open this brand new carburetor.
Well, get on it. Let's see what you got. Down here in the old shop today, picking up a little bit, checking out new parts.
It's just a box, but can they pack it good?
Sit up on the counter. Be easier. It'll do okay.
It ought to do just fine. It's the 600, not the 650, right?
Yeah. It's just a baby carburetor, but it's good
It's
for
okay.
it's good for the brown truck. It's a street carburetor.